Hello, this is Dr. Pradeep Reddy. I'm a consultant joint replacement surgeon at Sunshine Hospitals, Hyderabad. And we being one of the highest joint replacement center in the country, we keep getting patients all over the globe where we treat them from the crippling joint disease to free-moving joint disease. And we've been really successful so far. And here is a patient, Mr. Scott Kingsbury, who hails from US. And he had real bad hip before he came. He couldn't really walk without a walking aid. And now he's 4 days down the surgery, doing comfortable, smiling as you see. And over to you, Mr. Scott.
He introduced me. I'm Scott Kingsbury, and I'm from the U.S., but I've been lucky enough to live here in Hyderabad, India, for the last 4 years. I did suffer greatly with a bad hip for at least 3 years. It was no fun. And I had some choices. I had a choice to go back to the U.S., try to fly back home and have my surgery there, or find a good surgeon here. And I heard that you were so good that I needed to sit down and talk to you. And we did a 2-week trip in China over the holidays, and I was in bad shape. And I called you right after the first of the year, and we sat down 2 days later, and I was so comfortable with what he told me and how it was going to go. And the fact that I had no choice. This was needed. I was not going to be able to last on my old hip. So my old hip lasted 57 years and 11 days. And on the 7th, which was last Friday, 4 days ago, I did have a total hip replacement surgery on the right side. And I'm well on the way to recovery and looking forward to really a second life. Sunshine Hospital came to me actually by word of mouth. There was a lot of good information on the website. I learned a lot. I learned a lot about hip replacement surgery just from the website. But when I arrived here, you can't tell the quality of any place by a website. Things photograph differently than they look in real life. And when I got here, I was most impressed. It's a big, modern complex with a lot of very efficient people. Anybody who's considering surgery should consider this place, because I was most comfortable here. I haven't spent a lot of time in hospitals. I've been lucky. A few bumps and bruises playing sports over the years, but I've never seen a more efficient staff. Buttons pushed, nurse comes through the door. Never had pain that wasn't managed, and I'm walking out of here, which about a week ago I didn't think I could do.